Welcome to today's cooking show, and for you today we have a rum and pomegranate cherry Coke. Nice little cocktail, and it's real easy to make. All right, to a glass, I've got some ice cubes stacked up, got about 4 of them. And now I'm going to add in the juice of 1 lime wedge. If you want a little more lime flavor, then leave the wedge in the glass, but I decided not to do that for this one. Now I'm going to add 2 ounces of dark rum or golden rum. Followed by a half an ounce of pomegranate liqueur. And then filling the rest of the glass up with cherry Coke. And then grab a knife, give it a little stir. And that's that. A rum pomegranate cherry Coke. Done.